Understanding Performance Tasks, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting concept, performance tasks. This phrase is commonly used in educational and professional settings, and understanding it can be really beneficial. So, let's dive in and make sense of what performance tasks are all about. Performance tasks are assignments or projects that require individuals to apply their skills and knowledge in real-world scenarios. Unlike traditional tests, these tasks are more practical and hands-on. They often involve creating a product or performing an activity that demonstrates understanding and proficiency. For example, in a language class, a performance task might be to conduct an interview in English or write an original story. Performance tasks have several defining features. Firstly, they are authentic, meaning they mimic real-life situations. Secondly, they require the use of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Additionally, performance tasks often involve collaboration and communication with others, making them interactive and dynamic. Why are performance tasks important? They help in developing practical skills that are essential in the real world. They also provide a more comprehensive assessment of one's abilities, beyond just memorizing information. For English learners, performance tasks are particularly useful as they encourage active use of the language in various contexts. Let's look at some examples. Creating a video blog in English about a topic of interest. Participating in a debate on current events in English. Designing a brochure for a fictional company, using persuasive English language. These tasks not only improve your English skills but also enhance your creativity and critical thinking. I hope this video has helped clarify what performance tasks are and why they are valuable, especially for English language learners. Remember, the key to mastering a language is not just learning it, but actively using it in practical scenarios. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. See you in the next video.